Unsupervised learning. A machine learning approach where algorithms analyze data without pre-labeled answers or guidance.
Unsupervised learning is when an algorithm explores data to find hidden patterns, groupings, or structures on its own, without being told what to look for. Think of it as letting the machine discover relationships naturally, rather than teaching it with examples.
Imagine sorting a box of mixed buttons without instructions. You might group them by color, size, or shape based on what you notice. Unsupervised learning works similarly, organizing data by discovering similarities the algorithm detects, not by following predefined categories. Unlike machine learning approaches that use labeled training data, this method finds structure independently.
A streaming service analyzes viewing habits across millions of users to identify natural audience segments. Without being told who likes what, the algorithm discovers groups like documentary enthusiasts, comedy fans, or thriller lovers, then uses these clusters to recommend content. This clustering happens purely from observing patterns in the data.
Unsupervised learning is essential for exploring large datasets where labeling would be impractical or impossible. It powers customer segmentation, anomaly detection in cybersecurity, and data compression. By revealing hidden structures, it helps businesses understand their data and make informed decisions without extensive manual categorization. Unsupervised learning.